Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting course from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track called Security in Office 365. This is the fifth course from the series and I will be your instructor for this course, so let me properly introduce myself. My name is Christian Kalinescu and I've been working for more than 10 years in IT and mainly as a senior infrastructure engineer, and now I currently run a cybersecurity operations center for a big company in the UK. I've helped many customers throughout my career to implement new technologies, to migrate from old technologies to new technologies, and I've consulted several customers as well on implementing security frameworks, security tools, and security services, being that they were on premises or in the cloud. I am certified by Microsoft on several desktop and server technologies, like Microsoft Certified Expert on Cloud Platform and Infrastructure, or Certified Azure Solutions Architect for the cloud technologies. In the field of cybersecurity, I am certified as a Microsoft Certified Cybersecurity Professional, CompTIA Security Plus Certified, and a Certified Ethical Hacker. So please join me in the second lesson of this introductory section, in which we are going to discuss about the course, about how it's structured, and several other interesting aspects. I'll see you in the next lesson. Hello everyone and welcome back to this course from the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track called Security in Office 365. I am very happy and thrilled to have you in this fifth course from the series, and this is the second lesson from the introductory section, in which we are going to discuss about how the course is structured, what are the prerequisites for the course, who should be attending the course, the expected learning, and much more. First of all, I just want to let you know that this is the fifth course from a series of 9 courses, which are meant to prepare you become a Microsoft cybersecurity professional. Basically, you will, after completing all the courses, you will be comfortable in implementing, configuring, and supporting the Microsoft security services. So please take a moment and take a look at this slide, which basically shows all the courses from the track and a few words about each course. So that being said, let's first of all establish who should be the audience for this course. Well, the audience for this course should be any cybersecurity enthusiast who wants to learn all about Microsoft security services. And of course, you don't need to go through the entire track. Maybe you are just interested in PowerShell security, for example, or maybe you're just interested in the security services offered by Microsoft Azure, or maybe you're just interested in the security features and services offered by the Windows 10 or Windows Server operating system. So you can take any of the courses, or you can take all the courses and complete the Microsoft Cybersecurity Professional track. Now, let's talk about the prerequisites necessary to attend this course. So first of all, you should have a basic understanding of Office 365, a basic understanding of authorization and authentication concepts, basic understanding of computer networks, and basic conceptual understanding of Microsoft Azure. And again, here when I say basic, I literally mean a basic understanding. Okay, so let's see the course overview now. Let's see how the course has been structured. So the course has been structured into sections, and each section contains several lessons. The first section here is the introduction section, in which we are going to discuss the first lesson. Actually, it was an instructor introduction. The second lesson is this one, in which we are discussing about the course. And in the next lesson, we'll discuss about how to set up the lab environment, because you will have a hands-on lab available at the end of the course, a pretty cool lab, and it requires some setup before you go in and attend the lab. So watch the next lesson, in which I'll show you step by step on how to prepare the lab environment. Then The second section of the course, we are going to discuss about Introduction to Security in Office 365. Here, we are going to cover what are the threat vectors and the most common data breaches. And of course, we'll talk about a high-level overview of the security solutions in Office 365. Going on to the next section, we'll discuss about implementing and managing Microsoft Defender for Office 365. And here we'll learn things about Exchange Online Protection, about Microsoft Defender for Office 365, managing safe attachments, managing safe links, and of course about monitoring and reports. Then we'll skip on to the next section where we'll discuss about using Office 365 threat intelligence. We'll discuss about an overview of the Office 365 threat intelligence. We'll talk about the security dashboard and about threat investigation and response. Then the next section will cover implementing auditing insights and alerts in the Security and Compliance Center in Office 365. Of course, an overview of auditing in the Security and Compliance Center. We'll discuss about enable mailbox auditing, about audit log investigations, about enabling sharing auditing for SharePoint and OneDrive, and managing insights and alerts in the Security and Compliance Center. And lastly, we are going to go in the last section of the course in which we'll discuss about advanced security management, and specifically here we'll cover cloud application security or cloud app security. And in the first lesson, we'll discuss about how to deploy cloud app security, and in the second lesson, how to use cloud app security. So this is how the course is structured. This is the course outline. And now let's see what would be the expected learning. What will you walk with after completing this course? So, first of all, from the beginning, I want to let you know that the course includes a mix of content, that is videos, demonstrations during the videos. You have section review questions in the form of a quiz after the end of each section to be able to test your knowledge on the topics discussed in that particular section. At the end of the course, you will have a final exam in the form of a practice test. So that is for you to be able to, again, test the knowledge on all the topics that were covered by the course. And you will also have a hands-on lab available, a pretty cool lab in which you'll set up a Microsoft 365 trial tenant. Then you will a trial subscription. You will configure that subscription. You will get to experience hands-on some of the topics that we've discussed throughout the course, like creating safe links policies, creating safe attachment policies, secure score, and much more. Going back to the expected learning. What will you gain? What will you learn after completing the course? Well, you'll be comfortable with knowing all about the threats and data breaches targeting your data. You will be comfortable with Office 365 Advanced Threat Protection, Office 365 Threat Intelligence. You will be comfortable with configuring and using auditing, alerting, and reporting in Office 365, and with advanced security management in Office 365. So that being said, again, the final exam review questions at the end of the course, as well as at the end of each section, you will have review questions available to test your knowledge on the topics discussed in the section. And in the final exam, you will have the opportunity to test your knowledge on the topics discussed and learned throughout the course. And of course, you will have the hands-on lab available as well at the end of the course, which I've just discussed about. So now, please join me in the next lesson where we'll discuss, actually, I will show you step by step on how to prepare the lab environment, because in order to go in and complete the lab, you will need to set up a Microsoft 365 free trial subscription, and I will show you step by step on how to do that. So I will see everyone in the next lesson.